All right, we have a blast from the past here. Today we're going to be doing a Lexus lost key replacement. This is for a 1997 LS400. Basically, the customer sent in the Immobilizer box, customer sent the door lock. Plan of action, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to figure out what the cuts are to the lock. Cut some keys, make sure they working nice and smooth. After that, I'm going to take some chips, put them into the new keys, and then I'm going to write the chip data into the unit so it'll be plug and play at that point. So that's it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here we go. Let me get my finger out the way. Hold on. Let me hold it right here so I don't pinch my finger. Both keys nice and smooth. Both keys have chips in them. So they are pre-programmed into the system. So I don't do the auto learn feature what some people do, or the reset where you get it back. You have to introduce the keys one by one. No, the way I do it, I'm gonna write the data into it, and at this point it's plug and play. You literally plug everything up, and you're gonna be driving down the road. There's no additional steps. Now, those of you that's having trouble finding someone to do this, especially this particular model and this particular year, this is very old school. It's because maybe people wasn't around back then. I remember all these systems when they came out. So there's a special way you got to program these different type of equipment you need to have. I still have all my equipment that I was using early 2000s to do this. I'm a creature of habit. If something works, I'm not changing it. I have newer equipment that say it's supposed to do this stuff, but I don't trust it. I'd rather use the stuff I know works 100%. So when you send me your units, I'm going to make sure that it works and send it right back to you. That's about it. Ain't really much to say. But if you need my help, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. And I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. And all you mechanics that send me the jobs and send me referrals, and some of you used cars and new car dealers, I appreciate all of y'all. And the rest of y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'll see y'all next time.